welcome to Turbo Drive. My name is Modi Sareen and today we are going to talk about a very special car offered by the BMW, which was once the most beloved car of the Indian automobile sector. Now, I personally like to call this car the Chameleon because of the comfort and sportiness that it offers. This car is none other than the BMW 3 Series GT M Sport Shadow Edition. The iconic BMW logo is the centerpiece of this car. The retro kidney grills in this vehicle are the desire of every petrol head. Adaptive LED lamps that are available in this vehicle can light up to 600 yards of road ahead of you. Good, but certainly not the best. Being the beater, this car also offers a substantial 520 liters of boot space. This car is powered with a 2-liter turbocharged engine generating an enormous 252 bhp at 5200 rpm. It is powered with a single clutch gearbox, which is the highlight of its drivetrain, which helps generate a peak torque of 350 Newton meters. Now, I can personally assure you of these numbers that when you floor the gas pedal, the machine does not disappoint.
The interior of this particular model is standard, or you might say conventional, to older BMW models. Just like the dual climate control air conditioner along with the hands-on infotainment system with the toggle control over here. Now all of this is wrapped around hard leather with good stitching qualities, if you can just see. Yes, the steering wheel is very much standard along with M Sport badging and good hand controls. You can control the media systems from here, and these are the settings for cruise controls. Also, these pedal shifters have been slightly moved upwards for better maneuvering. The instrument cluster of the vehicle has got a minor upgrade, which was once analog earlier, is now being converted to the digital one. Now you can see various kinds of display over here. For example, the kind of mode you are selecting, like I am doing it right now. Yeah, so Eco Pro mode, and along with different color combinations can also be seen on the screen. Comfort mode, the sport mode, and finally the Sport Plus mode. And obviously you can see that the traction control has been turned off in the Sport Plus mode. Apart from that, the hands-on control on the steering wheel allows you to see different kinds of media systems that can be selected on the driver, for the driver I mean. So for example, any of the stations that you want to select, you can select it from here, and different kinds of media systems can also be selected from here.
I believe BMW was being very much practical when they built this machine because it doesn't really require a driver profile to drive it. Now, this particular model comes in the astral blue color along with M Sport badging on the right and the left side. No, there are no M Sport badging on the front or the rear. Now I don't know why. And this particular model also comes with the Pirelli P7 run flat tire. The standard settings of the seat and the steering wheel make it a little difficult for healthier people like me for a smoother ingress and egress.
You all know BMW vehicles are well known for their driving experiences, and they did not leave out this entry-level Grand Tourer to provide with a similar occurrence. This car is a perfect blend between recreational driving and managed driving as the adrenaline kicks in. To show you what I'm exactly talking about, we tried a little something that I would want you to check it out first. That was 0 to 100 in 8.5 seconds. Since you know how well does the car perform, you should also know how does it enlighten you. The cabin of the vehicle is so well packed that the NHV levels are at a bare minimum. That means none of the engine voice comes inside.
Sadly, we've seen that the BMW 3 Series GT has been discontinued, and now it comes only with the 6 Series GT. I primarily think that this is because of his big brother, the 5 Series, and the price clash that they have between them. Not only we would like to see more and more 3 Series on the Indian roads, but we would like a better and a newer version of the same. Thank you for watching this. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button, comment your thoughts below and subscribe for more such content. Godspeed and drive safe.